Hi there, welcome to this class. In this session, you will learn about introduction to WordPress theme and plugin. So first of all, we would like to know about what is WordPress, where we need to download that WordPress software. Okay, so see, first what we need to do is we need to install WordPress software, and then after that what we have to do is depend upon our requirement. We need to choose the WordPress theme. That is very main important, and also depend upon your requirement. Plugin always deals with the requirement. Whatever website you need, there you have to insert one plugin for your requirement only. Okay, but the design of the website will leads with WordPress theme only. So what we need to do is we need to install WordPress theme and WordPress plugin in WordPress software only. This WordPress software deals and bring out the output of your entire website. That is called a WordPress website. So let me see where we can download WordPress software and WordPress theme and WordPress plugin. Coming to our wordpress.org website, there you can see this is the landing page. Whatever you are seeing, this is the landing page. This landing page seems to be like this. You can find out plenty of WordPress stuff from wordpress.org. So here in front page you can able to get WordPress. So I already downloaded this WordPress software. Just open that one. So I WinZip that, unread that one. So this is the WinZip file. Here remember one thing, in every WordPress or WordPress software theme or plugin, whatever it may be, deals with the WinRAR file only. So if you want to upload one theme into local server or remote server, what you need to do is you need to upload WinZip file only. Please don't extract a folder or any WinZip file, and please don't upload that folder because you will get some error, because this WordPress deals with only WinZip files. So let me see, I unread this via WordPress software, and here you can see this is the WordPress entire software having 19 items is there. In WordPress software you can find out 19 items. These items will deals with your WordPress themes. So this is the total software about WordPress. So let me find out about WordPress software. So see, all these software has been designed and developed in PHP only. They use only PHP language. So here you can find out three plugins, three folders are there. Number one is WP admin, WP content, WP includes. So let me discuss about these things. So WP admin deals with the WordPress software admin dashboard. Here you can find out plenty of dashboard functionalities. You can whatever dashboard functionality is there, although functionality will be developed by using these PHP files. So later on that, what is the WordPress content? Content is nothing but whatever themes or whatever plugins you would like to install into your remote server. All those themes or plugins will be come into this section. Nothing but themes folder deals with themes, and plugins folder deals with the plugins. By default you will find out there is 3 more themes are there. They are absolutely free of cost, developed by WordPress team. They are the developers. They will develop one by one themes for WordPress. See, here you can find out these 2019 and 2017 2020 themes are very basic and very advanced and developed by WordPress team only. That is absolutely free. And here coming to this plugin section, by default you will find out Akismet plugin with WordPress. So come into this section, and third up folder is nothing but WordPress includes. It includes some other stuff also relates to WordPress software. It deals with some other stuff for WordPress. So this is the total overview of WordPress software. Whatever you would like to install your software into XAMPP or WAMP server, then you need to copy this folder and paste into your remote server root file. So let me discuss about another topic known as WordPress themes. The WordPress themes are loaded into only WordPress. They may load into WordPress content. So coming to the WordPress content, there you can find out themes. Themes is there, and these are the free themes. For example, if you come into these themes and select 2019, for example, come to our website, there in WordPress.org you will find out some themes is there. You can see the default themes are available from WordPress.org. This is 2020 theme and 2019 theme, 2017 theme. These are the pre-default themes, and even though after installation the WordPress you will get free themes also be there. This is the 2019. These are by default available in WordPress software. So if you see this 2019 theme, there you can find out these much of files designed and developed into PHP and CSS. So by using PHP server language only, we can able to implement it, we can able to develop these themes. They are having these much of files. So all these files deals with the 2019 theme. So having 31 items is there. By installing this theme, we can manage our 2019 theme. Even though whatever theme you select from this repository, you can able to manage. You can drag and drop every function by using WordPress themes. Then you can implement WordPress website. So coming to this section, even though in this codes repository, in this local root folder, you can find out all these stuff. For example, coming to this section, this is screenshot. Here you can find out a screenshot of the theme having in PNG format. This is the 2019 theme screenshot. Coming to WordPress.org, here you can also find out 2019 screenshot is there. Into our theme repository, then you can easily find out our theme output. This is the preview of the screenshot. Our theme's structure is there. If you want to create or if you want to edit any style sheet, there you will find out the style.css file is there. By using that style.css, you can manage and edit your theme. So here in this theme we can include JavaScripts and some fonts and some other CSS classes are be there. By using those things, we can easily implement our advanced WordPress themes. This is the structure to develop, and this is the pattern. Whatever WordPress theme and whatever